State festival status, better facilities. Mumbai gears up for a memorable Ganeshotsav. Maharashtra Cabinet Minister Mangal Prabhat Lodha has reassured the city's Ganesh mandals and millions of devotees that this year's Ganeshotsav will be smooth, well organized, and more vibrant than ever before. Chairing an important coordination meeting at the Mumbai Municipal Corporation's BMCD ward office, Lodha personally interacted with representatives of Ganesh mandals, taking note of their challenges and promising swift solutions. The meeting saw the presence of senior civic officials, including Deputy Commissioner Manish Walanjay, senior police officers, and Girish Valavalkar, Secretary of the Mumbai Sarvahanik Ganeshotsav Samanvay Samitai, along with a large number of Ganesh Mandal office bearers from across South Mumbai. The minister assured them that every possible step will be taken to make sure the iconic festival remains hassle-free for organizers and devotees alike. Among key issues discussed were traffic congestion and road blockages that often occur during the arrival and immersion of Ganesh idols. Lodha instructed traffic police to identify and remove abandoned or illegally parked vehicles to keep roads clear. He also directed civic officials to ensure that the One Window system for various permissions works efficiently so that mandals do not face last-minute hurdles or unnecessary paperwork delays. The minister also promised that the administration will be fully geared up to meet basic requirements of visiting devotees, including access to clean drinking water, adequate sanitation, and comfortable seating arrangements near prominent pandals. Lodha underlined that Ganeshotsav has now officially been given the status of a state festival and will be celebrated with a fresh vibrancy this year. Swipe left for next video. In South Mumbai, localities such as Tardeo, Gurjiaon, Walkeshwar, Ketwadi, and Lamington Road will get special themed decorations, adding to the festive atmosphere. A local committee is also being set up to coordinate with various civic departments, best undertaking, and the police to ensure seamless arrangements. Lodha appealed to all mandals and devotees to celebrate responsibly while respecting the law and abiding by all court directives related to noise levels, processions, and immersion. He added that the city's administration, police, and civic bodies will work hand in hand with local communities so that Mumbai's Ganeshotsav continues to be an example of unity, devotion, and celebration for the entire world to see. Latest blogs.